In a peaceful, verdant valley, there lived a shepherd named Eli. His flock of sheep were as diverse as the colors of the rainbow, each with its own unique personality. Among them, there was a ram named Remy, who was known for his stubbornness. One day, Remy wandered off from the flock, venturing towards the dense, dark forest. Eli, noticing his absence, set out to find him. As he reached the forest's edge, he saw Remy, trapped in a thicket. Eli tried to free Remy, but the thicket was too tight. He looked around for a way to pull Remy out, but all seemed hopeless. Eli, with a heavy heart, knew he had to make a choice. Either he could save Remy or save the rest of the flock. He chose the latter. He turned back, leaving Remy to his fate, and led the rest of the flock back to the valley. The decision weighed heavily on Eli, but he knew that the safety of the flock was his responsibility. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Eli tended to the flock, always remembering Remy. One day, he heard a familiar bleat. It was Remy, free from the thicket, back with the flock. Remy, though a bit scratched and weary, was back. He approached Eli, and Eli was surprised. Remy, with a look of understanding in his eyes, walked past Eli and joined the flock. Eli learned a valuable lesson that day. He realized that sometimes, letting go is the only way to help. By letting Remy face his own consequences, he had learned a lesson about freedom, responsibility, and the importance of making tough choices. The story of Eli and Remy serves as a reminder to us all. In our lives, we may face situations where we must make hard choices. Remember Eli, who chose the greater good, even if it meant letting go of one. And remember Remy, who returned, stronger and wiser, having faced his own struggle.